Number 2, here's an expression. It's equivalent to bx, where b is a constant. What's the value of b? So the first thing to note is that when we set this expression equal to bx, we have one equation and 3 unknowns, which means you can never solve it with math. There's not enough info. So it means at some point we are just going to be comparing like terms. So sometimes on the test there's no more solving. You're just meant to compare what's in the same spot. We can't compare till we get rid of the parentheses, so we do want to FOIL out that left-hand side. So we FOIL it out. We can combine, or we can get rid of the 3's there. And then we want to start comparing our like terms. On the left, we have two x terms, 3ax minus 3x. Altogether, that equals bx. So we can break those out and set them equal. If you want, you can divide out the x, so it just becomes 3a minus 3 equals b. Next, we want to compare our x squared terms. On the left, we have 3ax squared minus x squared. Altogether, those need to correspond to the x squared term on the right. And what is that? Not exactly a trick question, but there's nothing there. So it's as if it were a 0. So altogether, 3ax squared minus x squared has to equal 0x squared. You can divide out the x squareds, add the 1 over. I would not even solve for a, because notice you're going to plug in the 1 for 3a, so that's why b is -2. So unique to the test, something you probably don't encounter too much in school, is that sometimes you're not solving anymore. You're just comparing what's in the same spot and making those line up. And if something doesn't appear, it's as if it were a 0.